What's going on, everybody? Welcome back again to my channel. So today, guys, I am back with another amazing recipe for you guys. It's not gonna be a long video, it's gonna be a pretty short video, but I just wanted to share this amazing recipe with you guys. So if you are new, you haven't subscribed, you're browsing around on the channel, please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and also always leave a like, a comment, and if you could possibly share the videos for me. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the video. Okay guys, as you can see right here, these are my snappers that I'm going to be frying today. As you can see, my snappers have been marinating overnight in my Haitian Recipes and everything. So right now, all I'm getting ready to do is get some all-purpose flour, throw a little seasoning in the all-purpose flour, and then just fry this bad boy. So be sure to stay tuned. I'll be back with some more steps to show you guys. Alright guys, so it is time now for me to start frying my fish. So what I went and did was pull my fish from the bowl that has been marinating in. Have a pan right here, add some purpose flour, a little pinch of salt, some fresh cracked black pepper. And now I'm just throwing the fish in there, just get a little flour on top of it. And I got some oil preheating right here that I'm going to drop my fish in anytime soon. So from the bowl, the flour, and the pan. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Alright guys, so as you can see, my fish are frying nicely. So remember the step. You want from the marinating bowl into the all-purpose flour into the frying pan. So I want it to get nicely golden brown. And after that, I'll be frying my plantain. Back here, my rice is cooking up nicely right there. So everything will be ready on time so we can enjoy it. You can see my snappers in there. It's been about 5 to 6 minutes since I've put them in. So what I'm going to do in a few is flip them to the other side. And that's going to be it, guys. So stay tuned. I'll be sure to show you guys exactly what they look like. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so I just flipped them now. About been frying for about 6 minutes on that side, so you can see how it's getting nicely golden. I'm gonna flip them again because I want it to be a little bit darker. So I went ahead and turn up my heat just a little bit, and I'm gonna let them fry for about 6 minutes on the other side, and after that I'll be flipping it again. So stay tuned. Like I mentioned, guys, it's gonna be a short process, so it's not gonna be a long video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just flipped them again. You can see it's getting nicely golden. That's exactly what I want to do, nicely golden and crispy. So stay tuned, guys. Rice in the back, and right now we're working on some sauce so we can enjoy with the rice, the fish, and the plantain. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see, my fish are pretty much done. So what I'm about to do now is remove them from the pan. Set him over here in this pan, and then I have one more to fry. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so as you can see right now, my fishes are done frying. Lay them in a pan. So what I'm ready to do now is just deep fry my plantain, and after that I'll be setting up my plate so I can enjoy these bad boys. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be back to show you guys some more. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is my final result of what I was cooking today. So a piece of my red snapper right here in this little bowl. I got some sauce, my plantain, and my rice back there. So right now, all I'm going to do is sit down and enjoy this delicious, amazing, fantastic, whatever you guys might think of it, food. So that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. So if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to drop a big thumbs up for me. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. So I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace.